Hello everybody, welcome to Real Talk Life Coaching Show. And today I felt like I wanted just to be relaxed when I talk to you guys. As you know, it's Easter weekend and we're celebrating the death and the resurrection of Christ, who is a great model in my life. And I follow quite a few principles of him. And today I was thinking about, what could I talk about? Well, the Holy Spirit has guided me to inform you guys it's time for your own resurrection. Yes. A lot of us have been faced with a lot of challenges, hardship, and we feel that we just can't get up. We don't have that drive. We don't have that push. Well, I'm here as your coach to tell you, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Don't lay there in the tomb. Don't lay there. It's time for you to resurrect and get up and walk and do what you was born to do. All of us was born with a purpose. And a lot of us waste a lot of time in trying to figure it out. What am I really here for? Some of us, we just know off the back what we're ordained to do. But some of us, it takes quite a while before we really find our true calling in life. Now, you can begin. You might say, Miss Sam, I don't know where to begin because my life is not where I want it to be. Well, you could start off by reflecting, what are some of your talents and would it benefit others? Now, I'm a jack of all trades. So sometimes it's a good thing and sometimes it's a bad thing because you can become confused on what you want to really do or stay focused on a mission. Well, I'll tell you something. It's better to do something than not to do nothing at all. I had to think unselfishly, what can I do to make a difference within society, to help the masses, to help mankind? And sometime when you try something and it doesn't work, maybe that's not the door you're supposed to go through. After many years of trying different failed business and everything, and it was really about to quit today, the honest God truth, that's why I can speak to you from experience. I said, one of my biggest talents is that I'm very funny. And if you scroll down on this YouTube channel, you will see quite a few of my comedy shows. But I didn't want to stop there. And then one thing led to another, and I end up with a big entertainment company. And I still got some ways to go. And, because it takes a lot of money. And I started with actually nothing. When I mean nothing, I didn't have a pot to piss in or a window to throw it out of. Right? And I just took it day by day. Each day I do a little bit more. Each day God give me more vision on what I can do. And it costs. I'm not going to sit down and say, oh, I haven't got money, I can't do this or whatever. You can look within yourself and try to find resources. And that's what I'm actually doing. And I'm in the process of doing right now. And things are coming together slowly but surely. And it's making a big difference. That's why I'm here speaking to you. Because I just didn't stop at doing comedy or doing drama or doing films. I've incorporated a company where I'm helping others and exposing others' talents as well. Take baby steps. Once you take baby steps, then you're able to take big steps. Then you're able to bloody run a marathon. I'm telling you, people, reposition yourself, stay firm, stay focused. Don't be around a lot of people that want to kill your vision or your drive. Because let me tell you something. If I was to follow people, I wouldn't be where I am today. A lot of people will try to distract you. You know why? Because they're not bloody going anywhere in life and they don't want to see you achieve your goals. So ensure that you choose your friends and even your family. Yes, I said your family, because some of them are just jealous and bad-minded, friggin' envious, to put it mildly. You know what I mean? Sometimes friends are better than family. Trust me, because they say they want you to do good, and then when they start seeing you climb up the ladder, they go silent or they give you the evil eye. So be very careful. One thing I learned, and I used to have a problem, is telling everybody what I'm going to do, my next move. Don't do that. Just move. They will see you. Your work will speak for you. Everybody don't have to know everything that you're doing. Just do it and they will see and they will be amazed. You understand? Give back. Give back. No matter how small it is, give back. Because in giving people an opportunity and a chance and offering them something, and it doesn't necessarily have to be money. It could be a kind word, an encouraging word for the day. If you see your brother hungry, did you feed him? If you see your sister naked, did you clothe her? You know what I'm saying? Somebody feeling suicidal, did you comfort them and talk them out from committing suicide? That's giving. That's something special. That's something awesome. You can do anything that you put your mind to. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't. Because let me tell you, a couple of decades back, when I look at it, if I had followed what certain people said to me, I wouldn't be here today talking to you and encouraging you and uplifting your spirit. Change your mindset. Think positive things. What you think, what you feel makes a difference. It will manifest, whether it's good or bad. Remember that. I felt like a bloody drink today. Well, Jesus turned the water into wine. There's nothing having a little wine. Now getting back to what I was saying, you can do it. Don't let nobody fool you. I know sometimes you feel, well, you know, I haven't got it. I don't know where to start. I don't have enough money to start a business. Take baby steps. Work towards obtaining the money to do what you was created to do. A lot of you are great writers. You could write a bestseller. That's something that I actually want to do, and I will do when I can find some time. If someone told me even 3 years ago that I would be a chief executive producer for MSE TV network, I'd say, you got to be kidding me. And I'm not going to stop there. You know what I mean? Believe in yourself. That's another thing. Believe in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, why should I believe in you? That's simple. That is simple. A lot of you have a lot of self-improvement to do. And I'm the person to push and drive you there. You are beautifully made in God's image. You got God's image. You got his DNA. What more do you bloody want? Come on, people. You're awesome. You might not feel awesome, but I'm here to tell you that you are. And that you can change your life. Because if you're sitting down there to wait to win the lottery or for somebody to give you a handout, newsflash, it's not going to happen. You understand what I mean? You have to create your own destiny. You have to take action with what you want in your life to manifest. Simple. You don't take action, guess what, baby? Nobody else is going to take action for you. Be grateful. Gratefulness is awesome, because in giving thanks to the Almighty for the little that you do have, guess what? He's going to bless you with more. So in all things, be grateful. Another thing, do not get stuck in yesterday. Rather focus for tomorrow, because tomorrow brings changes, but yesterday keeps you suppressed. So stay focused. And in staying focused, you will reach somewhere and you will reach your goal. Another thing, have faith. Because the Bible say, if you have faith as small as a grain of mustard, do you know how bloody small a grain of mustard is? It can fit under your fingernails. You can tell that mountain to move and it will move. Have faith. Another thing, willpower. Sometimes you feel so fatigued, so tired. You're like, oh God, I can't do this. Where am I going to get the energy? Have willpower. Push yourself to the limit. Because in doing so, you will obtain great things. And on that note, please subscribe to this channel. This is Miss Sam, your host, Real Talk. I hope I've made a difference in your life today.